So yesterday, Python database connectivities by using Python program, how to connected Oracle, how to connected MySQL, both are done. So now the concept is this is the Oracle database. In this one, I created one table. Star from. These are some secure records are available there. Same. I have one more database is there, MySQL. In this MySQL root here, show databases, DB9AM. In this, select employees table is there. Select star from employees. Here 3 records are there. Now the concept is, my concept is, sometimes they're asking how to migrating one database to the another database, that is, write a program to copy whatever the data present in employees table of MySQL database into Oracle database. So I have to read the data from the one database and copy to the another database. Such a type of thing is called as how to migrating from one database to the another database. That is here. You have already a database. The database is MySQL. In MySQL, some records are available. There are records are there. My client is asking, I don't want to use MySQL. I will drop the database. Can you please, whatever records are available there in that MySQL, read the data. There are so many records are there. That data you can copy, paste into this Oracle database. Once your work is completed, I will drop this database. If it is done manually, it will take so much time. SD program already we know. I have to return a test.py file. Here, I know how to read the data from the MySQL database. Select star from employee. By using fetch all, I can read the data stored into some variable. I'm reading data from here. Once I'm reading data, I can insert it to the Oracle database. After that, I delete this MySQL. This type of concept is nothing but how to migrating from one database to the another database. How to read the data, you know, just previous examples only. Yesterday, in from MySQL, how to read the data, this is the command. Select star from employees, you can store it into data. But here a small minor problem is there. The problem is, whenever I'm reading the data, what is the type of data? In MySQL, I'm reading data type is tuple data type. But Oracle can be accepted list. So many people directly they are reading and they have to inject it to the Oracle, but it is not accepted because of the data sent by the MySQL is a tuple. The Oracle can be accepted list. That is the problem. So before sending that, you have to convert this tuple data to the list and you have to inject it to the database. So that is the final concept in PDBC, how to migrating one database to the another database. Go to the test.py. Sir, here import. What is the module name? Py mysql. Providing connection cursor object. Yesterday program. I will copy paste. Up to here common. Reading data. These two also common because this already explained. It is providing connection cursor object, reading data from table stored into the data. You can ask the type of the data. This is common. Save. Go to the command prompt. Run the program. What is the type? Tuple, sir. First of all, convert this tuple to the list. How to convert? List of data stored into variable, any variable. What is the variable name? List. Now you can ask type of the list. Now by default it is tuple happily converted to the list. So first task is done, completed. Once I am converted this one to the list, this list I want to inject it to where? Oracle. So how to connect to the Oracle? Import cx underscore Oracle module. Go to the Oracle program. In the Oracle, how to provide connection? Starting, I'm telling na this one. Try. So I can use any number of try and blocks. This is the try block. I provided connection. Cursor object is required. This is the cursor object. Except finally is required. Copy this except finally blocks. Here you can change instead of this cx underscore Oracle. Now, once the cursor object is ready, how to insert the data? Write the query. Sir, what is the query? Insert into employee values, multiple values I am passing. So, employee number, employee name, employee salary, employee address. This is the query. Now, cursor dot execute menu with query, comma. What can I pass? Every day, yesterday, I'm using query, comma. I'm passing one thing. What it is? Records I am passing. So now I don't have any. The records are available. Where is the records? List. Simple. You can pass this list. But after that, what is the command? Commit print records copied from MySQL to Oracle database successfully. So two programs I combined, nothing. Connection, reading, stored into variable. Again providing connection, cursor, inserting. Come to here, run this. Raise error. Already closed. Line number 19. Invalid username password. Yeah. Password wrong. The mistake. Records copied from MySQL Oracle. Go to the Oracle. Oracle previously 6 records are there. Now you can ask Karina, Katrina, Deepika came from where? From the MySQL. Now I will drop this database. I can use only Oracle. This is the way how to migrating from one database to the another database. So just you have to write only try blocks. Main logic is enough. I accept finally same only copy paste not required. Main logic this is. Types of queues. Python supported there are 3 types of queues are there. Generally in the C with the DS there are some concept is there, stack queues, linked list concept is there, same like that. In the Python, there are 3 types of queues are there. The first one is FIFO queue. FIFO is nothing but first in, first out. Normal queue behavior is same as it is. Which element will coming first? Same element will be go outside. This queue is a class. This queue class is available to one module. That is the module name. Queue is the module. This queue is the class name. There are queue class 2 methods are there. One is put, second one is get. Put method is to provide element into the queue and get method is to read data from the queue. Only 2 methods can handle entire queue. So the first one, FIFO, first in, first out. Normal object you can create this one automatically. This behavior is FIFO queue. FIFO queue terminology means this type of class is not there. Only queue class you can create the object. For example, here import. What is the module name? Q is the module name. Q dot, what is the class name? Q. Object I got created. Give the reference variable. Q dot put is the function to insert element to the queue. First I inserted 10. 4 elements I inserted. Next insertion is 5. Next insertion is 20. Next one 15. So first I inserted 10, 5, 20, 50. If I want to get the value, print q dot get. Which element will come first? Which element will be inserted first? 10. 10 will come outside. I want to get all one by one elements. Okay, take while loop. While not q dot empty. What is the meaning? If q is not empty, get the value. If q is empty, don't get the value. Now run this 10, 5, 20. Same line I can require. Go to the end attribute. So whatever order you inserted, same order I'm getting 10, 5, 20 and 15. If I want to go to last in first out, simply can create object LIFO. What is the last item? 15. Now order will be reversed. 15, 20, 5, 10. Just like stack. Last in, first out. Priority queue is also there. You can give object for priority. The priority meant for highest priority 5, 10, 15, 20. Based on ascending order, it will be displayed. So this first order, first in, first out. Last in, first out. Based on ascending order. No, sir, I want to give highest priority to 15. Second priority 10. Next to 20. Last to 5. That is also possible. Then you have to give a own priorities. That is the 3 types of queue supported into our Python. First one, FIFO queue. Queue equal to module name dot class name. This is the default behavior in which order we put items in the queue in the same order the items will come out. First in, first out. That is the first one, queue class. Hmm? Overloading. ఎలా చేస్తావు అసలు? దీనికి దానికి సంబంధం ఏంటి అసలు? సరే ట్రై చేయి. అసలు దీనికి దానికి సంబంధం లేని కాన్సెప్ట్ అసలు. అది డిఫరెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్, ఇది డిఫరెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ కదా. అదేంటిది? సేమ్ క్లాస్. అసలు ఇక్కడ ఎనీ క్లాస్ ఈస్ దేర్, సంథింగ్ నోనా. అక్కడ క్లాస్ ఫంక్షన్స్ మెథడ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. అసలు దట్ ఈస్ కంప్లీట్లీ డిఫరెంట్ టాపిక్. అంటే ఎలా చేయాలంటావు? అవుదు అసలు. ఆహా, ఇది అసలు డిఫరెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్. ఇది ఇట్ ఈస్ యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ ద మల్టీ థ్రెడ్డింగ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఇదంతా కూడా. అసలు అది కంప్లీట్ డిఫరెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్. I will give own priorities. Wait, one by one I will tell how to give own priorities. LIFO queue. The removal will be happened in the reverse order of insertion. Last in, first out. The elements will be inserted based on some priority. Third one, priority. నెంబర్ ప్లేస్ లో ఏదన్నా నీకెందుకు, లాస్ట్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ అవుట్, ఫస్ట్ ఇన్ లాస్ట్ అవుట్. ఇఫ్ ఇఫ్ నాన్ నెంబర్ డేటా వీ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ ప్రయారిటీ. ఇప్పుడు అది చూపిస్తా హౌ టు గివ్ ప్రయారిటీ. ఇప్పుడు ఈజ్ ఏ నాన్ న్యూమరికల్ డేటా, వీ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ ద ప్రయారిటీ. If the data is non-numeric, then we have to provide our in the form of tuple x comma y. X is priority, y is your element. Like that you can pass. X is the priority, y is our element. List. List priority means అదే అంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఐ విల్ గివ్ ప్రయారిటీ. మనం ఓన్ గా ప్రయారిటీ ఇచ్చుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు నీకేం కావాలి హైయెస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ దానిలో? వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ హైయెస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ? యూ వాంట్ ఫస్ట్ 20, నెక్స్ట్ 5, నెక్స్ట్ 10, నెక్స్ట్ 15. గివ్ 20కి 1 ప్రయారిటీ. 1 చూపిస్తే చూడు ఎగ్జాంపుల్. సార్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ వాంట్ టు గివ్ 1 ప్రయారిటీ మీన్స్ 20కి 1 ప్రయారిటీ కావాలంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ 1, 20. దెన్ హైయెస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ 20. సెకండ్ ఏది కావాలి? 5 అనుకో, 2, 5. సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీ 2. 3 నీకు 15 కావాలి. యువర్ విష్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ప్రయారిటీ వాంట్ యూ కెన్ గివ్. అదే నాన్ న్యూమరిక్ డేటా. చెక్ దిస్. If I want to go with q dot put is the function. Inside you can pass tuple of values. I want to give 1. The first priority I'm given to the Sunny. It is not taken alphabetical order. So Sunny is having highest priority. Suppose I want to give now. I am given order also not important. Third priority I am given as a Katrina. Second priority. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 order not mandatory. Second priority, I'm given Deepika. Fourth priority, I have to given as a Samantha. Once I run this, then what is the first one? Sunny. Second, Deepika. Three, Katrina. Four, Samantha. So like that it will be coming, but it is a tuple kada. This index is 0, this index is 1. So compulsory you have to provide based on which index you want to access. 1 means values. 0 means indexes. Now values are coming. Sunny, Katrina, Deepika, Samantha. లేదు ఐ వాంట్ టు గివ్ నాకు ఇక్కడ 4 ఇక్కడ 1 ఇక్కడ 2 ఇక్కడ 3 సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ సమంత సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీ కత్రిన థర్డ్ వన్ దీపిక ఫోర్త్ వన్ సన్నీ యువర్ విష్ ఎనీ ప్రయారిటీస్ యూ కెన్ గివ్ నౌ వాల్యూస్ విల్ బి సేమ్ వచ్చిందా ఐ డిడెంట్ సేవ్డా చేశానే ఇండెక్స్ వాల్యూ చేంజ్ చేశాను కదా ఇదేం సేమ్ వస్తుంది ప్రతిసారి సన్నీ కత్రిన దీపిక సమంత ఇదిగోండి 4-2-3-1 గేమ్ వారిని క్లాస్ నేమ్ సారీ ప్రయారిటీస్ ఇంకోండి 1-2-3-4 ఇఫ్ ఎ గివ్ 1 దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రొవైడెడ్ ఇప్పుడు వచ్చిందా కరెక్ట్ గా సమంత సెకండ్ కత్తిరిన దీపిక సన్నీ ఇఫ్ ఎ గివ్ దిస్ 1 హియర్ 4 హియర్ 2 హియర్ 3 1 3 2 4 నౌ వాల్యూస్ విల్ బి చేంజెస్ Sunny, Deepika, Katrina, Samantha. Like that, you have to give your own priorities also, but we rarely use this concept. So now total core and advanced Python was completed. I will share that my PDFs, core and advanced, so just to go through that one. Uh,